Hi everybody, my name is Brendan Guire, and today we are on a brand new 2026 290 SDX by Sea Ray boats. Exterior color we have on this boat is the Horizon Gray. Beautiful color on the water, and we do have the panels that match the exterior color. We are powered with twin 250 V8 250s with joystick piloting outboards. So very easy to maneuver inside of the docks or get on the lift. Step inside of the boat, we have our sea deck on the transom and the walkthrough. We have the infinity woven vinyl flooring down here in the cockpit. We have a grill option and a sink option. We have our refrigerator here. This is an ultimate sandbar boat, hanging out, cruising, all those things. This is a manual drop down tower here. A lot of seating, forward aft facing seat here. Lots of cup holders. We do have a table for this. It is stowed away right now, but there's a nice big table that goes there. We have a head down below here, and then we also have the sink with a pull-out sprayer, so you can shower off down there. Lockable glove box storage, windshield as well as the windscreen, and then we have another table up in the bow. We do have a windlass anchor on this boat. Coming to the helm, we have this bolster seat, tilt steering. We have our joystick piloting outboards, like I was saying before. And we have our large Simrad 12-inch screen for this boat. This is the 290 SDX. My name is Brendan Guire. Come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater.